My wire phone holder broke. It snapped from the point it connects to the clamp. The wire just wore out and just got cut. But as I tried to super glue it, and that didn't work since the covering of the wire was the one that was glued, and it just the covering just came off, twisted off. That was no help. The super glue, it's not available anymore at the moment from the store I got it, Dollarama, my favorite store. It is a Dollar Tree kind of store, but I think it is the originator of the format of such stores. It sells shares like the Dollar Tree. When you ever see me use a camera without holding it in my hand, this is that item I've been using. I would definitely buy again. It's definitely worth it. And it lasted pretty long. I used it very extensively in many videos, if you watch a lot of my videos. And I used it exclusively. And yeah, it's still worth it. And if you know of a fix, put it down in the comments so I can try it.